Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about Algo USDT trading pair with my customer set. Just local updates. First of all, guys, I want to show you this screen. You remember in a few videos I already showed you this one. It's more about psychology. You know, you can Google it, find this picture, and this can be adjusted to any charts because it's a pattern which can repeat for many tokens with current moment, in the future, in the new listing. You know, I already explained to you with Bitcoin Cash, for example, with IOTA example. Here is Algo, so this one, and it can be going down till zero, right? And we have to understand, guys, it's possible. It's possible because people just live in a world where crypto should pump just because it's a crypto. It's a stupid behavior, right? It's a myth. It's a myth, guys. A lot of tokens will be vanished from the market this run, next one, or after the few years. You know, you can open the top 20 tokens on CoinMarketCap in 2017. And find out many of that tokens out of top 100 or even top 200, just in case, guys. So never say never. Global targets, guys, for me personally is still relevant. So even if we not hit the new high, you know, my conservative price target for Algorand, and I believe in that target because BTC dominance now still over 63%. So this is not an end of altcoin season, because all money are concentrated now inside of BTC, not in alts. Alts can form the new lower low, yes, for sure. The worst case scenario, if the money from the BTC will go into stable coins and not inflow into alts. This scenario possible because we live, you know, with a model where first of all, BTC pump it. After that, the money rotate to the Ethereum, from Ethereum to the middle cap token, from the middle one to the low cap. After that, the meme sector, and bam, end of cycle, like it was in 2021. Now the situation absolutely totally different. That's why the experts, the gurus who become rich randomly by luck in 2017, 2018, 2021. Now they have no idea what to do. That's why, guys, build a plan, build a realistic targets, work with the proper money management, you know, and weight your targets. My targets for Algo to out maybe even the 100% out of Algo is $1.10, $1.25. Will we go higher than this targets to $3 to $5? Nobody knows, guys. But at this point, at this monthly block, I will fix the profit. Depends, of course, the timing, especially. So what we can see now, this is a sell side liquidity. It was a COVID historical low, like you remember. Now we bounce. Technically, you know, this was an impulse, right? Impulse top. Yes, we tested 86 level by fee. So under this level, it's only first level and invalidation of this FIB, just basic classic FIB, then COVID historical low and sell side liquidity. Again, new historical low. Is it possible to see? Yes, of course. So guys, never say never. It's a weekly time frame. We formed and the fulfill this one, weekly gap. Monthly one also here. Not a fulfill, but it's more than enough, you know, to stop it at 14.55. So we stop it at 14.60. So of course it's more than enough. Next step is this tiny one gap we still not formed, and this one. So it's 32.47, and this one liquidity pool. So guys, everything what works down the same way works up. So we can't move only down forever or up forever. So this is was order flow down. We formed the high, and basically it was a high, and we break of structure, and we're breaking out the structure. So now we should go higher. So technically, yes, we get a chance to move higher if the money will inflow into alts, but we can't know. We can't know. Why we can't know? Because we can't know what the whales, what the big players, what the big funds decide to do with their own money. So guys, We can't know. The charts, yes, showing us the possibilities and probabilities, and we can work with that data, but we can't know the decision. You watch it there recently, the Wintermute just press sell by market, some alts, and they dump it in 15 minutes, candle like minus 65%, because they decide to not hold these tokens. The same story can be with Algo, with any other tokens. The good moment, guys, this is an order flow. So sooner or later, we will come back and test this level, this level, this level. It's just a matter of time. So if we talk about a spot, guys, my personal decision, I hold Algo. It's not about I'm diamond hand or so I believe in this price. I totally don't care about Algorand. I hold it because this assets, I want to see my target. So pretty simple, guys. I'm here for the money, not for the attach. I totally don't care about Algo. So this is a break of structure we need to see here. So this one, local one, break of structure, we need to see something like, so this is a low, lower low, higher low, this one, and we need to see this move, retest, maybe form the local head and shoulder, right, and start build a new structure. When? Nobody knows, guys. Imagine the hype, and the people can be wrecked again if and when, if we hold a line here, for example, we form the full fill, we can bounce higher than 22.27, and after that we can drop 23% again to form the daily head and shoulder pattern. The crazy scenario, it's a dump on the COVID low and sell side liquidity. Global targets, let's say middle term targets, it's 61 cents 80. Global one, it's $1.20. This is it. Let's check with my indicator set on the daily time frame, guys. What I don't like on a daily, this is like top. So this is not accumulation zone. It's kind of weird. So this was a accumulation, small bounce. This is a accumulation and a distribution on ADZ, and we are in the middle on the direction. Technically, this is a market mood disbelief. So I wish to see the higher price targets. We formed the divergence this time. Now it's a distribution, and we can form the new high. You remember I explained to you. So we dump it to the bottom. Here we're in the middle, so we can form something like this one, divergence, and something like this one on the chart, for example, and then going down to bear market. So yes, guys, unfortunately, the $1.20 can be the end of cycle for Algo. Weekly time frame, this is a disbelief. So this was a December 24 apria. Now it's a disbelief. So weekly time frame technically is much better than it was like a few months ago. Money power, money inflow. So it's good. Last time money inflow was here at 12 cents 63. Now it's at 15.80, and after that we drop it lower, but going to 61 cents. Now we hold the line strong. So wish to see the bounce higher. A lot of three, take a look, 3 RSI bullish divergence, 3 MACD bullish divergence, 2 money inflow on a daily. It's good one. Everything okay. Trade on. No signal to take profit. So this is what I don't like. Take profit, I mean from this sell. Only recommendation close position. We will see. But the main signal to buy here, relevant technically. And the price was 10 cents 76. So I hope will not drop again low. Take profit, guys, daily. We can test again. 1686. It's a buy line. Take profit line. It's 3317. This one, weekly we didn't test the buy line, so this is what I don't like. Buy line on a weekly, it's 1289. It's kind of weird, and I hope we will not drop that low, but we can. I wish to see something like this move, and over than $1. After that, we can dump to the buy line here and form something like this one in the next bear market. So guys, all targets relevant. Don't rush now. If you skip at the Algo, here we tested on 12 time frame buy line now on 12 time frame, it's around 13 cents. So I wish to see that going higher to the take profit line, break of structure, formed something like head and shoulder, and main reversal move. Now all eyes, of course, on Trump, on China, on the United States, on the macro. Yes, it's boring, but it's a fact. Everybody waiting. The institutional in this market, so here we got an institutional. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Algorand now. If you'd like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.